Okay, let's begin. I honestly do not know why I am even unboxing a gym diet box from Amazon, but honestly, mm, I just felt like making this video and I could not open this box without making this video, so let's make the video. I'm not nervous basically, but I'm gonna just use a very primitive tool to, kind of unbox this thing. So without any further delay, using my primitive tool, let's go. This is so crazy. If I did not told earlier, this box contains some gym related stuff inside it, and I cannot wait to open it because okay, so I can literally use a scissor here. Yes, I want to show you guys a full package. This is so crazy, but I think I just do not want to die without not making videos and stuff. Okay, so here are two things that I bought. One is this Muscle Blaze raw whey protein, 80% protein, 20% it contains fats and other stuff. I was supposed to be getting an isolate, but guess what? I got this. And also, I know, right? Girls unbox a lot of, like, what do you call that? Makeup unboxing and stuff like that. But I'm a Hot Wheels girl. Just ignore it, anyways. And also this keratin. I don't know what the pronunciation is exactly, but maybe in the due time I'll just get to know it. It's 300 mg creatine monohydrate by GNC. So you're supposed to take this before and after your workout, and it holds water in your body and gives you more strength to train. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this product because this is the first time I'll be consuming it. And who does not wants to gain more muscle, bro? We're bros, right? And this is like, let me just read it out, like how much of protein is there in one scoop. Where is it? Just not down. 24 grams of protein. Last time I used the old one. Let me just show you. And it had 12 grams. Can you see it? Yeah, 12-gram protein per scoop. It was like beginner's protein by Muscle Blaze, but this time I'm so sorry, this is so stupid. Anyways, this time I got a 34 grams, voila. But the thing is, my trainer was actually like, just get the isolate one because it contains like 30 grams protein per scoop, but I just didn't feel like doing it because it also contains some fats and stuff like that. So I don't know, I just felt good, and I'm kind of a rebellious person, so when somebody tells me just do this, I want to do the opposite. So 34 grams protein per scoop isn't a bad deal for your second whey protein buy. And if somebody decides to tell me that whey protein from Muscle Blaze is horrible, bro, I got the results. And guess what? Only results matter. Honestly, the last whey protein I had was a chocolate flavor, and I almost forgot that I needed again the same chocolate flavor, but this is sadly, sadistically tasteless. But that's okay. What really matters is results. What matters is RESULT, because nobody cares if you're sad, mad, happy. Everybody cares if you're successful, good, with some money.